So no camera today. Just gonna try and do this super quick. 135. I had made in a short that there was something at the shop getting worked on for paint and stuff right now. Well, I got to take it over there today so they can scan for the paint code, make sure it matches, get it all done. But yeah, I mean, I'm excited. Finally get to let this thing come out of the garage and sit on a battery charger for it feels like forever. This thing, same condition. It's just rotting away. The bags are sold, so bags are coming off. This is going to be on stock ride height. Then tint's going to come off. I got to find a muffler and a downpipe. So if anyone has a downpipe for a B48 or any F30 muffler, let me know. I'll buy it off you. GTI coils are always for sale. Please get rid of this thing. Help me get rid of this thing. But yeah, it's all about the 135 today. So the reason that we got the 135 today is I ordered something for the 135. It was supposed to be on the car by Christmas. It's February 4th now. I mean, getting it to paint has been my fault. It's been probably like 2 or 3 weeks since it got delivered. But I mean, it was still super late from where it was supposed to be. Like I was saying, so this video, hopefully I'll be able to have it on the car, towards the end of this video, whatever. But I mean, it's been a so delayed process for this. I was gonna have a full cinematic kind of like teaser trailer, whatever, for it, because I want to do a cinematic video of this car, because I mean, I think it looks really good. But it's just like delay after delay after delay, and then the freaking stuff didn't even come in time, and it's been a nightmare. But it's finally here. We're taking it for paint now, and then hopefully I can get it on at the end of this video, and I think it'll look really good. I'm super excited. I'm more excited to see Veronica's reaction, because it's something she's wanted for a very long time, and just was like, she can never justify price for it, but you know, for Christmas, I think it's the least that I could do. So yeah, anyway, I'll get up with you guys when we get to the shop. They're gonna scan the car, get the paint, and I gotta go to work, obviously. But yeah, see you guys. So GTI, not the 135 anymore. 135 is back in the garage. Got a scan for paint. It's so faded though that Justin's gonna have to kind of like fool around with it to make sure it matches, because obviously fresh paint on one section is not gonna look as good as 17-year-old paint. But anyway, I'm running for work now. When I get back, I have to put the 135 in the air. So there's like some noise coming from the rear. It sounds like the sway bar or something. I'm not really sure. I didn't look at it yet. So I'm gonna try and fix that, and then, but I'm not sure how much I'm gonna include in me working on the 135. I also having some problems with this too, but that is what it is. I don't really think I have time for that. Also, the F30 bags, they're sold. They're still in the car, obviously. I'm sure somebody has already commented and questioned why. Dude's up in Boston. I actually put his Instagram like on the screen right now or whatever. Cool dude, cool cars. He's buying just the struts off me, so I'm gonna go ahead and take those off the BMW, ship them up to him, and then yeah, see what he does with those. But I might be able to get that done this week, hopefully. I have a pretty busy week with work. And then once those are off, though, I'll get that whole process or whatever. I probably won't include it in this video because I want to use my actual camera for that. The only reason I'm not using my camera for this is because we took it with us for a honeymoon. I didn't use it. Came back and it's just been dead. I don't know where I put my chargers for the batteries, so yeah. I gotta sort that out. Probably get some new chargers. But other than that, yeah, that's pretty much it. And then I know I didn't record anything in the shop. I wasn't there for very long, maybe like 20 minutes. But yeah. Anyway, let's get cracking on the 135 suspension. Not the intermission that I was hoping to have in this video, but I'm gonna go ahead and put the pictures on the screen now. So obviously, as you can see, that's pretty messed up. So like I said before, the bumper came in extremely late, and we didn't open it up until now because, you know, you saw we just went and got the paint scan or whatever, so they went to prep it today, and that's what they took out of the box. So a couple like scratches and stuff like that, like it is what it is, like it's whatever. But like that top section by the hood and the grills, like that's terrible. That's really bad. And it looks like somebody just molded the whole thing with clay and was like, yep, that's good. So gonna try and start like a return process for that now, and then I have to order a new one. But there's the surprise. But pretty bummed out about that. V's pretty upset. It sucks, especially like this thing was supposed to be painted and on the car for Christmas. I was gonna record a whole thing, her going out to the garage and whatever, but here we are, February 6th, and nothing. So super annoyed with that. Really kind of threw my day off. But yeah, I mean, it is what it is. The company I ordered it from is a pretty established company, so I was, you know, very upset to see that that's the quality that they're sending out. I don't know if it's a third party that they're just, you know, posting for or what, but it's pretty sad. But anyway, hopefully I'll have another one ready in the next video, or, you know, whatever. But I'm gonna go ahead and order another one, try and return this one. If not, and somebody wants to buy it and salvage it or whatever, just let me know, because yeah, I'm really frustrated. I was really excited to finally get it, you know, in prep, because it had been now months since I ordered it. I ordered it back in October. So, you know, just really annoying. But I'm not gonna rant too much about it. It is what it is. So just, you know, order another one, move on. But yeah, that was kind of the plan for this video too, was to showcase the 1M bumper on the 135. But I mean, that's not gonna happen now. So, but I still have to look at the suspension. I went and took a look at it the other day. I didn't get super in depth. I didn't take like the wheel off or anything. I just jacked it up and stuck my head under there. And The only thing that I could really notice was like maybe a subframe bushing was like, you know, moving around a little bit. But I really couldn't tell. Like I said, I didn't get super deep in there. I just jacked it up and put a flashlight under it. And then also the filler neck on the 135 is starting to scrape through. So I wasn't making YouTube videos when this happened with the F30. But I had a fuel cell in the F30 because I thought I was rubbing through my filler neck. I was actually rubbing through my filler, or my fuel tank vent, instead of the filler neck. My filler neck is metal on the F30, so it just like rubbed through the like the casing on it. But the 135 has a rubber filler neck, so it's like almost punctured, but it's not there yet. So I'm gonna take like sheet metal and cover it up and also relocate it a little bit higher. You know, just Veronica riding super low in that thing. But I'm gonna do that and then also try and figure out why it's making that sound. Like I said, I mean, it sounds like the whole control arm is just bouncing all over the place. I really don't know what it is, but yeah, hopefully I'll have time to get more in depth and, you know, actually start taking it apart and looking at it better. Also, the F30, I gotta take the bags off. Struts are sold. Management is being inquired about. So I'm not sure how much longer I'll have any of that stuff, but yeah, that's kind of where everything's at. I don't know what I'm doing next for this video. I might end it here. I might, you know, try and do all that just maintenance stuff in this video, but that's it for right now. You will see if there's more to this video. I don't know. I'll see, but later.